Hello dear students, welcome to Indian Advanced Studies. In this video we will see Mahatma Gandhi University counseling admission process. First allotment has been released and how you have to check that is important. If you are searching in a wrong way, you will not get the correct result. I will show you how you can check in the correct way, where you will find your CAP result. The college-wide CAP result has been declared, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step guide that how you can check. Before that, you are requested that make sure you're subscribing this channel, because this is the exclusive channel that has been made regarding MGU admission process, that is Mahatma Gandhi admission process, Mahatma Gandhi University admission process. This is not only about today's checking the allotment letter, it's also about the next few years when you are going to study in your college. You will have lots of updates regarding your university, your practicals, your vivas, your internships, your placements, your admission process, and your annual day cultural events, and annual fest, and every detail of the university will be published on this channel. So definitely you are requested that make sure you are subscribing this channel. And how you have to search in the correct way that you will get the correct result, that is also the important thing. You have to search in a correct way and you will get the correct thing. You have to search what I am doing. You have to open your browser, any browser, and type there google.com and search for the term what I have done. You can check in the display. You have to search MGU CAP 2020, and after that you have to write IAS paper. IAS paper is the exclusive website that's just dealing with MGU CAP 2020. So you have to search in the same way. As soon as you will clicking on this, you will landing on a new page. Here you can find MGU CAP 2020, and here you can find IAS paper. Exactly, this is what you need to do. Exactly, you have to click on this. As soon as you will clicking on this, you will landing on a new page. I will zoom it to 150%. Here you can find MGU CAP 2020 first allotment list released. Means MGU CAP 2020 first allotment list has been released on 15th September 2020. Mahatma Gandhi University, that CAP is called counseling admission process. And before that, you are requested that make sure you are filling this form, which is very important. Here you need to write your full name, your email address, your contact number, your state. For example, I'm from Kerala, so so I'll be selecting Kerala. If you are from somewhere else, just simply select wherever you are. I'm from Parabur. If you are from somewhere else, definitely you have to select that. And in which course you are interested. For example, I'm interested in, for example, just for the example, say I'm interested in engineering, so I'll be selecting engineering. And if you are what is your highest qualification, you have to write your 12th. So you have to click on this and then click on get free counseling. So you will be start getting updates from MGU for free of cost. Here you can check first allotment released has been released. Click here to view the allotment letter. Just click on this. As soon as you'll be clicking on this, you'll be landing on a new page. Okay, now here are two options. One is, first of all, select your college, and then you have to check the maximum and index number. Okay, so here you need to select your college. For example, college, Alfonso College, Equanium. Okay, so I am searching Bharat Mata College of Commerce, Alua, and here you need to select the chapter, like the course program, and then click on submit. As soon as you're clicking on this, you'll be finding the result category, maximum marks, and everything. All these details you can find college wise, and here you can check everything. So whatever you want, you can just click on this and then get free counseling, and then you can get everything over here, maximum marks and minimum marks, whatever it is there. So if you have any doubt, definitely comment on this video, and I have tried my best to give you the best output whatever I can. And if you think that I have really helped you, definitely subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.